Welcome back to my workshop. Now today I've got a slightly different video for you. It's mine and Mrs. Little Workshop's 15th wedding anniversary. So we decided to go and make something. And our 15 years is crystal according to the traditional wedding gift list. So what we decided to do, we went to Langham Glass in Norfolk and decided to make a crystal tea light holder. So this also ties in with the tea light challenge set by Claire from Making It Out of the Woods. Okay, so let's get going. Let's go over to the high-tech map and find out where we went. Right, I've just arrived at Langham Glass here in Norfolk. Here it is, Langham Glass. We're about to go in and do some glass blowing. Well, not blowing, just making some glass stuff.
First on the end, so it's very, very thin, as thin as a piece of paper. It's actually got movement and you can see it wiggling in the air. It's quite flexible glass at that thickness. You wouldn't be able to make anything with it though, it's too thin to actually make anything with it. Over to you. Alright, so just keep it turning for me, keep twisting, keep turning, keep going, keep going, keep going. Let it fall down now. Lift it up a little bit. Now turn, 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 turn. Let it fall again. Roll. Now turn it. Turn, 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 turn. Let it fall again. Drop it down. See, the glass is quite set now. It's not stretching so quickly. Keep turning now, nice and gently. Just wrap it round again. Lovely. So you've twisted your colour up now. You've got a swirl of colouring in there. So what we'll do next is we'll give it a good heat up. All right. Soften it again because it sets so quickly. And then you can see your mould is there, it's a heart-shaped mould. So if you come over here now in front of the lever, there's the little mould. Cut some glass into there, slide it underneath the lever where the little plunger is. You'll pull this down until we say stop. Once you get the glass, the lever in the right place, make sure you're comfortable because you've got to stay like that for 45 minutes. Alright? Pull the lever down now for me. Gently pushing it in until I say stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop there. Lift the top, make sure it comes off. Yep. Okay. Little tealight. Still really, really hot. You won't see the true colour until it's cold tomorrow.
Brilliant.
Lots of different colours all in there. Good stuff. Right?
Thank you.
Well done.
You hang on to it, then there is. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Just keep it turning for me. Twist it. Keep going. Fix it faster. Come on, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Twist it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, go, 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 go. That's it. Keep it level. Alright, so what we're doing now is we're letting it twist, we're letting it fall. Now turn it, turn, 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 turn. Let it fall again. Lovely. We won't let it twist no more than that, otherwise we'll get loads of bubbles in there. One glass in. Pop it underneath. Put the lid down for me now, gently into the glass. A little bit deeper. Now back up. Now back down again. Get a little bit deeper this time. Back up. Back down again.
Thank you.
Up. Back down again. Back up.
Yeah.
Down again. Hold it there a second. Keep it still. All the way top. Good. It's got yellow. Just the heat in there. As it cools down, it'll be a nice clear. Alright? You'll see little bubbles in, and I'll turn it out in a minute. Then you'll be able to see the little bubbles in there. You can see some here, look. Right hand side. Little bubbles in there. Okay? Alright? Well done. Okay?
Lovely.
So we just finished in Langham Glass. We saw an excellent demonstration on glass blowing and making stuff out of glass. It's very sunny out here. Yeah, we've made a tea light holder, so I might even add that into the tea light challenge. But really worth doing. Yeah, so this Langham Glass in Norfolk, excellent. And Mrs. Little Workshop made something as well. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.